Nice. So weekly, besides your daily tests that you should be doing every single day, there's a few more things to do. And so first thing, you will come in every single system and do a test. So you press this button, it should turn all the lights off. And if you press reset, it should turn on. That's the RCD. It just makes sure that there's no electricity leaking out and everything is electrically safe. You could do the same for System A and do the same for System G. After you do that and you input the information on the spreadsheet, you can do all the testing and Chiara will tell you what's the right schedule. But over here we have the pH meter. Okay, just make sure you read all the instructions so we store the pH probe correctly. We have the salinity test. So you just turn on, put in the water. There is instructions as well that you can find. And if the salinity is not to whatever end you have on your experiment or what Chiara just asked you to maintain, what you could do is just top up more water from the reverse osmosis there. Probably each system is going to have a mark, so that's the place you need to be filling the tanks up to, because the salt's not going to evaporate, it's the water evaporating, it's mainly topping up. The amount of salt should be the correct for the system. After you do that, you can just input the information on the spreadsheet. The spreadsheet is available here on this QR code, but you should have also the link. Okay? And the final one is the nitrate test. So once a week, you also do the nitrate test. There is a video that's going to explain how to do it. And if the quantity of nitrate in the system is higher than the triggering point, then you should be changing the water using the reverse osmosis, and another video will explain that.